Hello everyone, I think you are doing well. We'll study today the practical geography of class 10. So we'll learn here what is the use of map, what is the use of the scale, what is a scale, how we use. Okay, we are starting with the definition of the scale, right? So first we have to read what is the meaning of scale. If the question will come, what is the scale in the examination, then we have to write this definition. Okay. That is what the ratio by which the actual distance on the earth's surface is reduced. You have to remember this word, okay? Reduced. Reduced means what means from suppose this is 50 kilometer, but we are reducing the scale. Reducing means so 50 kilometer will be represented by 1 centimeter, right? So that is the reduce. Reduce on the map is known as the scale in cartography. What is this cartography? Cartography meaning is that the art of map making. Okay, art of map making. So when we construct the map to represent any place, suppose we are constructing the map of the India. That means we have, suppose we are representing the transport and network communication of India. That means what? So we are first we will convert the map actual size. So yesterday I have told you, because this map required what? Map required scale, then again direction, then again location. So that means what? So with these things we'll just convert the actual earth surface to the map. Then after that we'll present the network and communication. Suppose when we are representing this network and communication. So that means what? This cartography represent the map of art of map making. So, but here we have to see, we have to focus on some word, that is ratio. Ratio means what? When we differentiate between, or when we compare two things, that is ratio. Ratio by which the actual distance. Ratio means compare it to our actual distance with that scale distance. So ratio by which the actual distance on the earth's surface is reduced on the map is known as the scale. You have to remember this reduce word and the ratio word. Okay. Now we'll see what is the actually scale. So I'll show you with the diagram. I'm rubbing these things. Suppose this is the map. Okay, this is the map. So this is the map structure of the Australia. Okay, suppose from here to here, how much kilometer? 50 kilometer. Okay, from this place to this place 50 kilometer. This place A, this place B. But this 50 kilometer distance map we can't draw in our real life, right? Because 50 kilometer is the actual earth surface. Okay, so this 50 kilometer, suppose here country is there. Okay, so this 50 kilometer distance map we can draw, because to draw this 50 kilometer distance we will have to cover the whole the earth. So that's what will happen. So in the plain paper, in the plain sheet, what we will do, we will convert to this 50 kilometer to the centimeter, right? Suppose this measurement is how much? This measurement is suppose 2 centimeter. Here 2 centimeter. It is 0. So definitely it will be here 1 centimeter. That means what? So 1 centimeter distance we are representing by what? 1 centimeter is equal to 25 kilometer. That means if we will divide this 50 by 2, then what will happen? 25 will come. That means what? 1 centimeter is equal to 25 kilometer, and again another centimeter is equal to 25 kilometer. That means what? From A to B, this place covering 50 kilometer. So 1 centimeter is representing what? 25 kilometer. So what is this 1 centimeter? This 1 centimeter is the reduced scale. Reduced scale, right? So that is the ratio. Ratio means we are making the ratio between this 50 kilometer and the 1 centimeter. Okay. That means what? 1 centimeter represents 25 kilometer. Again another this 1 centimeter. Again 2 centimeter is equal to 50 kilometer. That means what? This 2 centimeter is the reduced scale. Understood? So it is very easy. So if we reduce this 2 centimeter, that means what? Suppose from here to here. Suppose from here to here. Okay. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. That means what will happen? If 2 centimeter is equal to 50, then what will happen? Again up to this here 100, here 125. That means what? 6 centimeter scale. So now we can convert this 6 centimeter is equal to 125 kilometer. right? So within this 6 centimeter scale, that means 6 centimeter is equal to 125 kilometer. What is 25? This is 25, 125. That means 1 centimeter is equal to this is 1 centimeter is equal to 25. Again here 50 kilometer. Again here 75. Again 100. Again 125 kilometer. That means what? This is 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 5 centimeter. This is not 6 centimeter. 5 centimeter. So that means what? From this 5 centimeter scale, if we'll take by scale, okay, right? Take by scale, because we have the scale, we know. So with this scale, 5 centimeter is equal to 125 kilometer. We can make the map. Now if we'll take this 5 centimeter, then easily in the plain sheet of paper, in the small sheet of the paper, we can make the map. So that is called a reduced scale. This 5 centimeter. Understood? Okay. But you have to remember only this 1 centimeter distance. Okay, 1 centimeter. That means what? This is a reduced scale. Okay, but there are different types of scale. We'll see what are the different types of scale. Okay. Okay, let's discuss the types of the scale, because we use different types of scale in map, right? So when we use the different types of scale, because there are different types of map, some maps are large scale, some maps are small scale. So we'll discuss what is this large scale map, what is this small scale map. So in this video only we'll discuss about the scale. So here we'll discuss the types of scale. Types of scale. So number 1 is statement of scale. Okay. Number 2 is representative fraction. That is called the RF. Okay. RF means representative fraction. You know the fraction. Okay. You have learned in the mathematics fraction. So that is called a representative fraction. And next is the graphical scale. Graphical scale, right? So first we'll see what is the statement of the scale. So statement of the scales, it is very simple, because already I have shown you. This is the map. This is the map already I have shown you. This is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. This is 0. This is 1. 1 centimeter is equal to 50 kilometer, right? Sorry, this is actually I am putting wrong. So this should be like this. 1 centimeter. This is 50 kilometer, and this distance is 1 centimeter, because this is the reduced scale, right? So this is the statement of the scale. Statement of the scale is simple. This is the scale, so we are just dividing into different parts, right? Suppose this is 0, this is here 10 kilometer. Okay, take it 25, 50, 75. This is 100. Okay. So that means what? Here, what is the distance? 1 centimeter is the distance. That means what? Within 1 centimeter distance, we are representing how many kilometer? This is kilometer. Okay, how many kilometer? So here we can write 1 centimeter is equal to 0, 25. This 1 centimeter. Okay, 25 kilometer. Here that is 1 centimeter. So that means what we can write? 1 centimeter is equal to 25 kilometer. This much only. Simple. Okay, nothing is there in the statement of the scale. Just with 1 centimeter is equal to 25 kilometer, we are representing. That means what? Suppose from this Guwahati to the one periphery area. Suppose from Guwahati to Nalbari. Okay, this is Ghai to Nalbari. So if Guwahati to Nalbari is suppose 25 kilometer. So 25 kilometer. So that means what? In the map we can represent. Suppose this is the map. So we can represent this much. That means what? 1 centimeter is equal to Guwahati to Nalbari. Okay. That means what? 25 kilometer Guwahati to Nalbari we can't draw. That's why we have reduced the scale. We have reduced the scale. So with the reducing scale, so with the proper scale, when we have reduced the scale, we have got the true this distance of the scale, distance of the map. That's why we are now just representing within 1 centimeter what? From Guwahati to Nalbari, right? So that is the reduced scale. And next is the representative fraction. I will show you what is the representative fraction. So RF is written like this: 1 is to 50,000. That means what? 1:50,000 means 1 unit, any unit. We know there are different types, different units are there, centimeter, millimeter, kilometer, then miles, there are different units are there. So we can take it different unit. 1 unit is equal to 50,000 unit in the map. Okay, 50,000 unit in the map. Suppose this is the map. This is the map. That means what? Here suppose 1 unit is there. Okay, this is the 1 unit. That means this unit will represent the 50,000 unit. Okay, so any unit we can take this as centimeter, millimeter, kilometer. Okay, so 1 unit is equal to 50,000 unit in the map. So unit might be anything, any unit. Okay, so now what will happen? Suppose this unit, we are taking this unit as the centimeter, 50 centimeter. We are taking this centimeter. But our actual map, whatever the surface is there, our actual map is what? Our actual map is in the kilometer. Our actual map is in the kilometer. Now we have to convert this centimeter into the kilometer. Okay, so in 50,000 centimeter, how much kilometer will be there? Okay, this is a 1 centimeter. Now 1 centimeter will be remain 1 centimeter. Nothing will be changed there. That means what? If 1 centimeter is to 50,000 means we can write like this: 1 divided by 50,000. We can write it like this because this is fraction. We know this is fraction. We have got in mathematics, right? This is the denominator, numerator, and the denominator is there. Numerator, denominator is there. Okay. So this 50,000 unit, what is there? Just this is the fraction. That means scale is in the fraction. So we have to break this fraction to this kilometer. Okay. We have to break. I'm cutting this, but we have to break this 1 divided by 50,000. We have to break this fraction to the kilometer. How will break this kilometer? Break this fraction. Now suppose 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, right? So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 divided by 100. Okay. Now 50,000 centimeter is equal to what will be there? 1 divided by 100 into 50,000. Okay. Now make it just cancel. What we have got? 500. 500 what? 500 meter. What is that? 500? 500 meter, because we are converting to what? Meter, because 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. We are converting to the meter. 500 meter we have got. So what is this 500 meter? If the 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, then 500 meter is equal to how much kilometer? Definitely in the half kilometer, right? That means what? That means half kilometer. So we have got the answer half kilometer. That means what? This 50,000 unit represent the half kilometer. That means what? 1 centimeter. Earlier 1 centimeter was there, right? So 1 centimeter is equal to the half kilometer, right? So if we are showing this with 1 centimeter is a half kilometer map, then we have to draw very large map, because from Guwahati to Nalbari, how much kilometer was there? 25 kilometer is there. From Guwahati to Nalbari, 0 within 1 centimeter distance, according to the statement of the scale. But representative fraction is given in this like this. Okay, that means what? When we have brought this fraction, then we have got the half kilometer. 1 centimeter is equal to half kilometer. That means what? This is the large scale. So only within half kilometer only we can draw any village area, or we can draw any the area neighboring to the another area on this periphery area of Guwahati. But Guwahati to Nalbari map, so then it will take the very large size of paper. So in the small paper we can't draw this. So that is what? That is definitely large scale map. That means what? 1 centimeter is equal to half kilometer, 2 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer, again 3 centimeter is equal to 1.5 kilometer. So like this we have to draw a very large map. So that's why it is what? It is half kilometer distance. If this scale is low, if this value is low, then that we consider as what? Large scale map. Okay, large scale. But what is small scale map? Small scale, if value is if value is 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer, so that is small scale map, right? Because 100 kilometer distance from Guwahati to Nalbari, up to that Guwahati to Borpeta, so many place we can include in a small piece of paper. That means that is a small scale map with comparing to this, right? But if 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer or half kilometer, so that is to be very large scale, because to 1 kilometer distance we have to draw with 1 centimeter. If within 1 centimeter we are putting 100 kilometer, then it is not very large. It will means capture so many areas. Okay, but if we represent 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer, then what will happen? It is very the large scale map. Concept clear? If concept is not clear, then just ask me in the doubt clearing session. Okay. Okay. Next, proceed to the another type was there. That is the graphical scale. So graphical scale is very easy, but represent fraction is something that we make it confused. But don't be confused with it, because it is very simple. But just you have to learn the how to convert this fraction. Suppose 1 is to 50,000. Again we have put 3 0 is there. That is what? That is 50 million, right? So now what will happen? Now 1 divided by 50 million. Okay. So if we'll break this, then what will happen? 1 divided by 100 into 50,000. 50 million. So now what will happen? This 0 0 will be cut. What is the remain same? 50,000 meter. Okay. Now what will happen? If 1,000 from this 100 came, you know already, no? Because already fraction I have given. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100. So this 100 is this. Okay. So if 1 centimeter is equal to 100, 1 by 100, then 50 million meter centimeter is equal to how much? That is, we have got this answer, 50,000 meter. So if 1,000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, then definitely 50,000 meter is equal to how much kilometer? 5 kilometer. So now what we are getting? 1 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometer, right? But earlier we have got 1 centimeter is equal to half kilometer. So with comparing to this, 5 kilometer is the large scale. This is the large scale, this is the small scale. Means with comparing to with both this, because we have discussed the ratio, right? We have discussed the ratio. So when we are discussing the ratio, we have to compare two things, right? That is large scale and that is small scale. So concept clear? Okay, let's proceed to the another scale. One scale is left, that is the graphical scale, right? Graphical scale. So graph, when we are discussing about the graph means what? Definitely in the graph two things will be compared, right? Two things will be compared. So like this, suppose this is the scale. We are dividing this scale into 4 parts. Okay, this is 0, 1, 10, 25. Okay, let's take the 1 kilometer. 1, 2, 3, 4 kilometer. This is a kilometer. Okay. Now what is that? 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. We are representing here. But this is the scale when we are discussing the graph. Graph means what? Two things should be compared. Then what will happen? Along with this centimeter, along with this kilometer, we will again write some millimeter scale also. Miles, right? This is 1 mile, this is 2 mile, this is 3 mile, this is 4 mile, right? That means what? Here we are comparing centimeter and miles, right? Oh sorry, kilometer and miles. This is not centimeter, kilometer and miles. Okay, so we know 1.6 kilometer is equal to 1 mile. You have to remember how much kilometer is there in 1 mile. But in general sense, we know 1.6 kilometer is equal to 1 mile. Is it visible? No. 1.6 kilometer is equal to 1 mile. Okay, so this is very simple. Suppose we are representing 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer, then definitely something 1.3 centimeter is equal to 1 mile we have to represent. It is very simple, right? So here just only this portion scale is divided into two half. That is, in the upper part we are representing the kilometer here, and these things 1, 2, 3, 4. This is miles. Simple, very simple. So this is a graphical scale. But in the statement of scale, we just show only one thing. That is the 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 4 kilometer like this. But in the miles, 1 mile, 2 mile, 3 mile, 4 miles. Simple, very simple. Okay. So we have got three types of scale: statement of the scale, representative fraction, and a graphical scale. Right. So I think you have understood all these things. So scale topic, these things only. Next we will move to the how to draw the map. Right.